What if I told you that exactly 90 days from today, your website could be the number one answer on Google when someone in Delhi, Mumbai, or Bengaluru searches for your business? And here's the shocking part, you don't have to pay Google a single rupee in ad cost. Sounds impossible. That's because you're thinking with old SEO rules. Let me show you how SEO actually works in 2026. Most people still believe SEO is a years long game. That was true in 2018, partially true in 2022. But in 2026, the game has totally changed. Why? Because Google has completely changed the rules with AI overviews and search generative experience, that is SGE. Today, smaller, faster, and more human websites are beating massive corporate giants. Not because they have more money, but because they have more search intent. And today I'm going to give you a 90-day SEO roadmap. No fluff, no theory, just execution. Phase 1 is keyword intelligence. Let me save you months of wasted efforts. Stop chasing head keywords like digital marketing or real estate India. Those keywords are SEO graveyard. Instead, you can focus on long tail intent keywords. For example, instead of real estate India, you can search 2 BHK flats in Manyata Tech Park, Bengaluru. Why does this work? Because in 2026, 50% of the Indian searches are conversational. People search like they talk. For example, best phone under 20,000 kaun sa hai? This is pure gold for SEO. What tools to use? Use Ahrefs or SEMrush to find question-based keywords, low competition, clear buying or decision intent. Your secret weapon? People also ask questions on Google. Every question there is a ready-made blog title for you. Answer one question clearly and Google rewards you with a featured snippet. That's free traffic on autopilot. Phase 2 is content that solves, not sells. This is where most website fails. In 2026, Google uses something called as EE8, that is experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust. If your content feels like it was written by a robot, Google will bury it. Here's what works in India. Real case studies, original photos, not stock images of foreigners in suit. Local examples and pricing. Here's a content strategy example. Instead of writing one article on health, write 10 articles on Ayurvedic skincare for women during the monsoon. Specific always beat generic. And remember, Indians love video. Embed a 60-second YouTube short or Instagram inside your blog. Blogs with embedded videos have a 53% higher chance of ranking on page 1. Phase 3 is a technical speed sprint. This is what separates amateurs from professionals. India is a mobile-first country. If your website takes more than 3 seconds to load on a 4G connection in a city like Indore or Nagpur, Google will quietly remove you from the visibility. Focus on LCP, that is largest contentful pane, a clean UI, and a mobile-first design. These websites should look better on your phone than the laptop. If users stay longer, interact, and chat, Google understands that your website is useful. Useful websites rank. Simple. Phase 4 is the authority booster. Now comes the final push, that is backlinks. But not just any backlinks. Backlinks with a local authority. If you have a physical business, optimize your Google business profile. It is the fastest way to rank for near me searches in India. Don't ask bloggers for link. Instead offer expert code, data insights and local content. You can reach out to Indian niche bloggers in finance, real estate, education and health. Share your content on Reddit and LinkedIn. These may not be direct ranking factors, but they surely speed up the Google indexing massively. Let's simplify everything. Month 1, find 15 question-based keywords. Month 2, publish 2 high-quality helpful articles per week. Month 3, fix the site speed. Get 5 local mentions or backlink. Only 5.7% of the websites come in the top 10 without a strategy. Businesses are 2.7 times more likely to be trusted if they have a complete business profile. SEO is not a magic wand, it's a compounding asset. The work you do today will get you free leads for the next 3 years, and that's the power of SEO in 2026.